Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to texture this pot that we created. So I'm going to first, let's do the lid. So I want to have the bottom part of the lid be like a metal portion. Actually, let's go into object mode, click W and just move it up so I can kind of see it. And then go into face mode, and I'm just going to hold tab and double click these rings to select them. And okay, I think that should be good for the metal portion. I'm also going to select this ring in here. All right, there we go. Let's do assign new material, shader, AI standard surface, and I'm going to change it to like a light gray and then up the metalness so it's metal for us. And then I want to select this like top portion and assign a new material and do black this time. Like that typical really hard plastic that you see. I'm going to put the roughness up a lot. And then that's actually what most of this is going to be. So you can just assign existing material and assign it that same black color. And then this handle, I'm going to make that same like gray color because it's going to be metal. Actually, I think I'm going to deselect that ring. That seems like too much. Okay. Oh, I missed those two. Make sure you didn't miss any others. There we go. Okay. And then you're going to do assign existing material and do it that metal, which should have been, mine would have been, I guess, number 3. Yeah, but yours should only be number 1. Okay, next, I want to go into face mode and hold tab and just start double clicking all of these outer rings. I want to grab all the rings that we haven't textured yet. So including the bottom ones, which might be a little bit hard to reach. So just make sure you're able to get them. And then assign a new material to that. Shader, AI standard surface, exactly the same. Only difference is on this one, we're going to up the transmission to make it like glass, because I think that would be cool. Okay, let's click on Arnold and click on Sky Dome Lights, and then let's go to Arnold and then render to see how that's looking. Oh, looking pretty good. So you can see how that metal texture is kind of forming. You can move the lid back down if you want. So it's actually like, you know, sitting on top of the pot. If you need to edit anything, you can scroll all the way over to the right and then up that. I'm going to click on poly modeling and grab a plane and click R and scale it on up. And then let's push it under the pot so that it's sitting on it. And then let's assign a new material to that. I usually add in this fun checker color so you can see how just like a really basic color is kind of playing off of everything. So as you can see, our pot is like really, really metallic. So I would probably want to change that specific texture to probably a bit more rough so that it doesn't like, you know, fully show the texture in it. So you can bring up that specular roughness a bit. You don't have to do it a ton, but maybe somewhere in the middle would be good. And then I was trying to get this lid like a bit more see-through, just because I didn't really feel like I could like see through it that well. But I was not having much luck with it. So I'm just going to keep playing around with it a little bit. Actually, maybe it is just see-through and I'm just like seeing... Oh yeah, it's actually like perfectly see-through. I'm just seeing into the pot, which is making it look like it's textured. Sweet, that's how you know you've done well, when you could see directly through it. All right, well then, that's about it then. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know. But that is about it for this texture. So if you guys need any help on any of the textures, leave a comment below or email me. That's totally works fine. I love when you guys DM me on Instagram. I think that's so fun. So yeah. Oh, I'm realizing that I missed this handle. So I'm going to fix that really quick. Just select those faces basically and then texture it the exact same existing material as the other metal handle, which I'll have to look at what number that is. It looks like that component should be 3. So existing material, change it to 3. There we go. All right, perfect. Yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.